How to make pistachio butter. Are you tired of having the same old peanut butter? Switch to something a little more healthier and try pistachio butter. It is easy to make and extremely delicious. Without further ado, let's get started. What is pistachio butter? Just like other kinds of nut butter, almond butter, and peanut butter, pistachio butter is a creamy buttery paste made from pistachios. This butter is an ideal cholesterol-free option for those trying to lose weight. It has the same amount of proteins as peanut butter and has a nutty and slightly sweet taste. Let's see how we can make this tasty, nutritious butter at home. How to make pistachio butter at home. Although there are a lot of pistachio butter options with stealing labels in the market, but making it at home is much more economical and healthier. This way you can keep a track of what you put into your mouth. Recipe. To make basic pistachio butter, you only need 2 ingredients, but if you're feeling fancy you can customize the flavor. Ingredients: 4 cups of fine quality pistachios, a teaspoon of salt, preferably pink salt, a tablespoon of natural sweetener of your choice, optional, 100 grams of dark chocolate, optional. Procedure. Step 1. Step 1 is very basic. For this, you need to buy 4 cups or 500 grams of good quality pistachios. Remove the shells. This would take about 20 minutes. So it's always good to ask a friend or family for help to speed up the process. If you wish to make your butter with pistachio skin, it is fine. But if you prefer a greener nut butter, blanch your pistachios for a while. Put them in a kitchen towel and rub vigorously to remove the skin. Dry your nuts and you're ready to hop on to the next step. Step 2. Once your pistachios are shelled and peeled, it is time to roast them. Preheat your oven to about 350 degrees. Take a rimmed baking sheet and nicely spread all your pistachios onto it. Put it in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes until they're toasted and get a beautiful golden brown color. Let them cool off completely. If you don't have an oven, you can dry roast your pistachios in a pan. Step 3. Take a food processor and put your pistachios in it. Start blending at low speed for about a minute or 2, or until the pistachios get to a crumbling consistency. Take your spatula and scrape off the ends of the food processor. Start blending it again at a high speed for 3 to 5 minutes. While blending, you can add honey or maple syrup into it. If you like the chocolatey flavor, then add some chopped dark chocolate. Blend until smooth and store in an airtight container. Thanks for watching. For more, stay tuned.